Imagine ensuring the safety of bridges and skyscrapers with the precision of AI. This isn't just a dream, it's becoming a reality. AI technology is revolutionizing the way we approach safety in construction and industrial settings. By integrating advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can predict potential issues before they become critical, ensuring that every weld is perfect and every structure is sound. This is the future of weld testing. Traditional methods are being enhanced with AI, providing more accurate and reliable results. AI is transforming how we ensure the strength and reliability of welds. With real-time monitoring and analysis, any defects can be detected and corrected immediately, reducing the risk of structural failures. This technology has the potential to make our world safer. By continuously learning and adapting, AI systems can improve their accuracy over time, providing even greater levels of safety and reliability. Weld testing is critical for many industries, from construction to manufacturing and even transportation. Ensuring the integrity of welds is essential for safety and performance. This includes construction, manufacturing, and transportation. Each of these sectors relies heavily on the strength and durability of welded joints. It ensures that structures and products are safe and durable. Regular testing and inspection are vital to maintaining high standards and preventing accidents. AI is making this process more efficient and accurate than ever before. By automating routine inspections and providing detailed analysis, AI helps industries maintain the highest levels of safety and quality.
Traditional weld testing methods have served us well for many years. These methods rely on human inspectors. They visually examine welds for defects. They also use techniques like ultrasonic testing and radiographic testing. These methods are essential for quality control. They help identify flaws that could compromise the integrity of a weld. However, these methods also have limitations.
Traditional weld testing methods can be time-consuming and labor-intensive. Inspectors often have to spend hours meticulously examining each weld, which can be a tedious and exhausting process. They often require skilled inspectors who have undergone extensive training. These inspectors need to have a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of welding techniques. This can be costly and can lead to delays in production. The time taken for thorough inspections can slow down the entire manufacturing process, affecting overall productivity. Another limitation is the potential for human error. Visual inspection is subjective and can vary from one inspector to another.